Why yoga a good way to start your day? 2 billion people worldwide practice yoga. And probably not one of them would disagree that yoga is the only way to start the day. There was a time, however, when I couldn't start my day off with yoga. So, I changed my lunch hour routine. Instead of sitting and dining with coworkers, I headed directly to a quiet place on my work campus and did yoga for 45 minutes. After the workout, I supplemented my lunch meal with a protein shake. Not surprising, not only did I increase my likability at work, I also shed some unwanted weight and toned up physically, mentally and spiritually. If I couldn't do the yoga at noon, I jumped into my routine immediately after work with strict instructions to my family not to interrupt me until I had finished my session. Neither a knock on the door nor a telephone was answered. That's how faithful I was to doing yoga. If you're disciplined enough to practice as recommended, you can experience something you haven't experienced in your life. You can find that your efficiency of doing work is greatly enhanced. You can feel that you are always joyful inside, no matter the outer situation. Your sleep pattern will be changed for the better. You wouldn't feel tired waking up, instead you will be fresh and ready for the day when you wake up. Your lifestyle will be, or in other words has to be changed for better. For example, waking up early, having your food at the right time, eliminating junk foods, etc. These are all good advice, aren't they? They will definitely bring good for your life. It is all scientific. There is no magic, no drug. We welcome your comments. Kindly subscribe to our channel, which will help us to inform you as and when we upload a new video.